Ever wondered if you could ditch those endless phone calls and let a powerful AI handle your customer interactions? Imagine a world where your customers get instant answers, their issues are resolved swiftly, and you free up your team to focus on more strategic tasks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving deep into the exciting world of AI and customer service, specifically exploring whether Gemini can truly revolutionize how you connect with your customers through phone calls. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Gemini is all about. Gemini is Google's latest and most advanced AI model. It's a true multimodal powerhouse, meaning it can understand and generate various forms of content, including text, code, images, audio, and even video. This incredible versatility makes it a potential game-changer in numerous fields, and customer service is no exception. But can Gemini actually make phone calls with customers? Can it truly understand the nuances of human conversation, empathize with customer concerns, and provide personalized solutions in real time? That's the million-dollar question, and we're here to explore it. Let's start with the basics. Gemini, at its core, is a language model. It excels at understanding and generating human language. This means it can understand and respond to customer inquiries. Gemini can effectively comprehend customer questions, whether they are simple or complex, and provide relevant and informative answers. Engage in basic conversations. It can participate in basic conversations, asking clarifying questions, summarizing information, and even offering suggestions. Analyze customer sentiment. By analyzing the tone and language used by the customer, Gemini can identify their emotional state, whether they are frustrated, confused, or satisfied. Now, while these capabilities are impressive, can Gemini truly replicate the human touch in a phone call? Empathy and emotional intelligence. True human connection often involves empathy and emotional intelligence. Can Gemini truly understand and respond to customer emotions in a way that builds trust and rapport? While Gemini can analyze sentiment, replicating genuine human empathy is a complex challenge. Nuances of human conversation. Human conversations are filled with subtle cues, pauses, intonation, and even background noises that provide valuable context. Can Gemini accurately interpret these nuances and respond appropriately? This is an area of active research, and while Gemini is constantly evolving, it still has room for improvement in this regard. Handling unexpected situations. Customer service often involves unexpected situations, angry customers, complex technical issues, or even emotional outbursts. Can Gemini effectively navigate these challenging scenarios with grace and professionalism? This requires a high degree of adaptability and common sense, which are still under development in AI models. Despite these challenges, Gemini has the potential to significantly enhance customer service operations. Consider these possibilities. Automating routine tasks. Gemini can automate routine tasks such as answering frequently asked questions, FAQs, scheduling appointments, and providing basic product information, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. Providing 24/7 support. With AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants, customers can receive support around the clock, improving overall customer satisfaction. Personalizing customer experiences. By analyzing customer data, Gemini can personalize interactions, offering tailored recommendations and solutions. Improving agent productivity. By providing agents with real-time information and suggestions, Gemini can help them resolve customer issues more quickly and efficiently. The future of AI in customer service is undoubtedly bright. As Gemini and other AI models continue to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and human-like interactions. We may see AI agents capable of proactively addressing customer needs, anticipating customer issues, and offering proactive solutions. Conducting personalized sales calls, engaging in personalized sales conversations, tailoring the pitch to individual customer needs. Providing emotional support, offering a compassionate listening ear to customers experiencing emotional distress. However, it's crucial to remember that AI should be used to augment, not replace, human interaction. The goal is to create a seamless and efficient customer experience while maintaining the human touch that is so essential for building strong customer relationships. So, can Gemini make calls with customers? While it may not be able to fully replicate the nuanced complexities of human interaction just yet, it has the potential to revolutionize how businesses connect with their customers. By automating routine tasks, providing 24/7 support, and personalizing the customer experience, Gemini can significantly improve customer satisfaction and efficiency. The key lies in finding the right balance between AI and human interaction. By leveraging the strengths of both, businesses can create a truly exceptional customer experience that is both efficient and personalized. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.